ऑडियो वाला आगे रखो, ये सब पीछे रखो, ये सब पीछे रखो।
We want a photo together.
Left corner, please. Left corner. Ma'am, just left corner.
Okay, could you tell us who are you wearing? One second. Yeah, we're gonna get a picture. So who are you wearing today?
I'm just here because I love Femina and I love beauty. So I expect a lot of amazing beauty tips tonight. And of course, everyone knows that I love beauty and wellness. And I just started my own website as well called evelynsecrets.com. So check it out if you want to know all my secrets.
What you're wearing?
I'm wearing Fagani and shade.
Stand here for the visual. Stand here for the visual.
I think I did well with this. Yeah, works. Yeah, tell me where to go. One, go. Go now. Check camera. Looks fantastic. Thank you. Okay then.
Again.
I don't know.
One second.
मैं भाई साहब गिर जाऊंगी यार
Clear left. Clear left, yeah. On your left, ma'am. Ma'am, yo, ma'am. Ma'am, on your left, please. Ma'am, yo. Left corner. Ma'am, left, ma'am. Ma'am, yo. Ma'am, left corner, please. Left corner. Ma'am, you can look.
How do you feel to be here? Last time
Ma'am, center. Ma'am, center. On your left, ma'am. Ma'am, center. Ma'am, left corner. Left. Ma'am, center. Yeah, on your left corner, please. Ma'am, center, yo. Yeah, left corner, ma'am, left corner. Ma'am, left corner, please, yeah. Ma'am, oh, madam. Ma'am, yeah.
Excuse me, madam. Excuse me.
Oh, yeah.
Stand for the board.
Oh, yeah.
Hi. I saw the picture. Yeah. Social media. Femina Nykaa Beauty Awards है, तो obviously this is going to be the best of the beauty in India, and I think looking forward to see who are the winners, because every girl is a bit of a beauty junkie, and I think I'm much more than that. I love collecting different kinds of beauty products. I love especially Indian beauty products and old recipes that Indian grandmothers and mothers have passed on to us. So yeah, I think it's going to be a fun-filled night full of style, humor, and of course beauty. Thanks. Actually, this is my take on modern Indian. It's a Banarsi sari that was passed on by my husband's dadi to his mother, and then she gave it to me. And I think, in today's day and age, we are all about fast food, fast fashion. We don't think about, we wear something 3 times and then we don't wear it again. So in that sense, heirloom saris are something that are so beautiful, and more girls should wear them, and I would like to wear more of them. So yeah, I've tried to modernize it. The blouse is Payal Khanwala, and this is again heirloom jewelry that I've recreated.
I'm standing up for the boomerang.
Left corner, please. Ellie, left corner, yeah.
I'll go through this one. Yeah.
So I'm from the Nykaa Femina social media team, sorry. And is there a chance you can give us a boomerang? A really fun
Okay.
boomerang? 'Cause you got a lovely dress.
Okay, what kind of boomerang should we do?
Are you okay with doing the twirl?
We can, but I don't know if it goes with this one. It's not that very, it's more
Oh, it's
heavy.
thick. Oh, all
Yeah,
right.
it's thick.
Could you go
Yeah, okay, so I can do it. Yeah.
Alright, I'll tell you my count. 1, 2, 3. That was
Well, I'm looking forward to see, which are going to be the brands who are going to win the awards, because then you kind of know which ones you should kind of like try out. So yeah, and I'm really excited to just be here and see that, because I love everything that has to do with beauty. Sorry? Favorite designer? Well, I love Manish Malhotra. Yes. I think it's very smart. Sorry? This is Archana Kochar. You like it? You like it?
Yeah, left corner, sir, left corner. Sir, left corner, sir. Left corner, left corner. Sir, left corner, please. Cyrus, here, Cyrus. center. Under the left, please, center. Under the left, center. Look center. Look center. Left corner. Straight, ma'am, center.
Hi, can you please tell me I'm from the Nykaa social media? Yes. And go. Also, can you answer the question?
Certainly.
Has put it on Snap.
You're going to ask me who the nominees are? No, I'm not going to know.
No, I'm just going to ask you your favorite beauty brand.
My favorite beauty brand? Well, when I was growing up, it used to be Body Shop. I still use a few Body Shop products. Do I have one single favorite beauty brand? Something happened. Something happened on TikTok.
Yeah. No, just say the ladder. Your favorite.
I don't have one single favorite beauty brand.
Okay, tell me what lipstick you're wearing.
Wearing 2000 pieces. This is a lipstick that stays really long.
Thank you so much. Hi, I'm from Femina Social Media. So in 3, 2, 1, go.
So, ma'am, here, photo your left, please, sir, here, please. Sir, left is left corner, sir. Photo be here, please. Straight, straight. Photo be here, please. Sir, careful. Ma'am, sir. Yeah, look. Left, sir, left. Ma'am, left. Photo be here. Ma'am, here, please. Ma'am, हम लोग को दो ना सबके. Ma'am, here, left corner here. Ma'am, left corner. Ma'am, here. Here, center. Again, left corner, please, ma'am, here. Ma'am, here, straight, ma'am. Ma'am, left corner, left corner. Ma'am, left corner, left corner. Come on. Just shift for you. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. Ma'am, here, straight. Ma'am, here. Yeah, left corner, please. Look center. Yes. Ma'am, here. Ma'am, left corner, please, here. Left, left, left. Left corner, left corner. Left corner, please. Here.
Yes. मैं फर्स्ट टाइम अटेंड कर रही हूँ ये अवार्ड्स. बहुत सारी खूबसूरती देखने मिलेगी और ब्यूटी अवार्ड्स है तो आई एम प्री श्योर कि बहुत सारे लोग जो ब्यूटी से एसोसिएटेड होते हैं उनको अवार्ड्स दिए जाएंगे. पीपल हु रियली आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर हाउ वी लुक. So it's a great thing and I'm pretty excited to be here. Like it's for the first time. So yeah, I'm very excited. Yes, I'm not a regular reader of Femina magazine, but I do, like, on my flights I read a lot of magazines, and Femina is one magazine which really connects you to the industry which I am connected to, and it gives a lot of different tips on relationships plus women, men, a lot of things. देखिए, हमारी जो जनरेशन है तभी की अभी की जो भी है वो एवोल्यूशन पे डिपेंड करती है, और वही चलते आ रहा है. लाइक वी आर जस्ट getting better and better with the time, and let's not compare yesteryear actresses. They were like, they are legends, so we are nowhere close to where they were or what they are. So we are just trying to be what they are, and like in our own way, maybe 10%. But no, I don't think वो legends है, उनको कोई touch नहीं कर सकता.
जिस तरह आसाम में नाही इंडियन आइडल की आसाम में पंक्ति जारी कर दी है, वहाँ से मौलाना जो भी है उस पर आपका क्या रिएक्शन है? हमेशा बॉलीवुड को ही क्यों टारगेट किया जाता है?
आई मीन ये तो एक रिलीजियस वाली बात हो गई. रिलीजन के ऊपर बहुत सारे लोगों की मानो तो बहुत कुछ है, ना मानो तो कुछ नहीं है. इसलिए कुछ लोग होते हैं जो अपने रिलीजन को पूरी तरह से फॉलो करते हैं और वो चाहते हैं कि जो उनकी जो कौम हो वो भी उसी को फॉलो करते हैं. पर एज आई सेड, मानो तो सब कुछ है, ना मानो तो कुछ भी नहीं है. आई मीन धर्म और रिलीजन की बात की जाए तो सबसे बड़ा धर्म जो है वो इंसानियत का है, और उसको ही फॉलो कर ले तो बहुत बड़ी बात है.
So I'm in India after very long. I've been in US for a while. I've been busy in the campaign. So it's a nice evening. Femina is a premier magazine. It's Times of India, like Miss India. It brings back memories. So I'm here to have a good time. I think you call something beautiful when something touches your heart or something that pleases you. It could be a face, it could be a thought, it could be an emotion, a gesture. So anything that touches your heart is beautiful. अभी फिल्म से थोड़ा लाइन अलग हो गई है, पॉलिटिक्स में हो गई है. So that's what I'm working on. Films will happen, but not right now.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm wearing Dolly J and Jet Gems. So very excited to be here. It's the first time that I'm coming for the awards, the beauty awards. And in a way, because I feel like my journey started with Femina Miss India, so I'm happy to be here. Designer in Bollywood? I mean, depends. I think Sabyasachi and Manish Malhotra and Gaurav Gupta, Shantanu Nikhil, I love their work. Not yet, but I will make an Hindi announcement soon. But till then, I'm doing a Telugu film with Allu Arjun. Yeah.
Hello.
मैम क्या कहेंगे फैमिली ब्यूटी अवार्ड्स के बारे में? फर्स्ट एंड अटेंडिंग अवार्ड्स
इस बार मैं जज के हैसियत से आई हूँ और पूरा प्रोसेस के बहुत ही रिगरस प्रोसेस रहा चूजिंग में और सिलेक्शन में। और एक्चुअली मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट्स को सिलेक्ट करने के बाद मैंने काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स पे अपने हाथ भी मारे तो आई स्टोल क्वाइट अ फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स। So I really enjoyed it. I think it's a fun process and it's going to be fun watching this.
मैम जब किसी इंडिविजुअल को ब्यूटीफुल कंसीडर करती है तो क्या क्वालिटीज देखती हैं आप? या मेल ब्यूटीफुल बेसिकली फीमेल ही होती है तो क्या क्वालिटीज कलर करती हैं?
I think मेरे लिए अंदरूनी खूबसूरती ज़्यादा मायने रखता है and beauty truly is skin deep and I really believe in that. But I think अब हम कलयुग में रह रहे हैं तो आई वुड बी वेरी स्टूपिड जिससे ओ अंदर से बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है, आप बाहर से अगर ख़राब लग रही है तो अभी हम क्या करें, तो उसे और खूबसूरत बनाने के लिए एंड आई थिंक टू मेक आवर लाइव्स मोर सिंपलर एंड ईजियर क्योंकि बहुत पोल्यूशन है। हम आमतौर पे वी आर नॉट लिविंग द लाइव्स दैट वी शुड बी लिविंग। हम हिमालयस पर तो रह नहीं रहे हैं और मतलब स्ट्रेस फ्री लाइव्स तो जी नहीं रहे हैं, तो वी हैव टू ऑब्वियसली प्रिजर्व आवर स्किन एंड प्रिजर्व मैं ऐसे बोल रही हूँ जैसे पता नहीं वी नीड टू लाइक ममीफाई आवर स्किन, बट नो वी ऑब्वियसली हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ आवर स्किन एंड देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स टुडे दैट रियली हेल्प अस लुक बेटर, यू नो, improvise the dark circles, take away the puffiness,
there are anti-aging creams. But even saying that, I think less is more. You should not overdo it.
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को लॉन्ग टाइम से काफ़ी सारी अदाकारें हैं हीना कुमारी और पीपल क्या कहते हैं कि पहले जो अदाकार थी नेशनल ब्यूटी एंड कंपेयर टू टुडे
Definitely, and I just think that even today there are a lot of people who are naturally beautiful, and some are conventionally beautiful. Some are beautiful because their personalities are beautiful. So I think beauty truly is also something that varies from person to person.
असम में आपने इंडियन आइडल सिर्फ रनर अप ले चुकी है, ये टाइटल करा के नाम पे 46 पद जारी कर दी है जी। हाँ, तो उस बारे में आपका क्या रिएक्शन है?
कोई रिएक्शन नहीं है मेरा कोई रिएक्शन नहीं है इस फेमिना ब्यूटी अवार्ड्स के साथ उसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है, तो मैं कोई आंसर नहीं दूंगी। जी बेस्ट ड्रेस्ड एक्टर इन बॉलीवुड बहुत सारे हैं यार आजकल तो। आई थिंक मोर देन द एक्टर्स इट्स अ स्टाइलिस्ट दैट शुड बी गेटिंग credit because I think they also put in a lot of effort, so it would be very unfair on my part to just select one or two. But I think style for me is something that is innate. It's not something that comes with clothes. So there are a lot of beautiful people out there. Rekha ji, there's Deepika. I think they really carry themselves very beautifully. Nice. Chalo.
Ready? And let's go.
Yes. How are you?
मैम ये कहने का कैमरा ब्यूटी अवार्ड है आपको तो क्या मायने क्या रखती है आपके लिए?
खूबसूरती किसके लिए मायने नहीं रखती, खूबसूरती सबके लिए मायने रखती है। आई थिंक एवरीबडी वांट्स टू बी ब्यूटीफुल एंड एवरीवन इज़ ब्यूटीफुल, वी आर ऑल ब्लेस्ड इन डिफरेंट वेज। सो मेरे लिए बाहरी खूबसूरती के साथ साथ अंदरूनी खूबसूरती भी मायने रखती है। लगता नहीं है आपको? जी बिल्कुल मदद करता है। जब आप अंदर से पीसफुल हैं, खुश हैं, तो वो बाहर नज़र आता है। वेल हमारा कल सीज़न फिनाले है, माया का फर्स्ट सीज़न एंड हो रहा है, तो आई एम अ लिटिल सैड, लिटिल what do you say, there's so many emotions, but I just want to thank everybody for loving the series like anything and boosting our confidence and liking my work. Thank you.
आइए और थोड़ा या मैम या लेफ्ट कॉर्नर प्लीज अरे काम जरा सेंटर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम योर सेंटर जरा काम जरा ये मैम या मैम लेफ्ट कॉर्नर या राइट सेंटर 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 now left please here right ma'am
I think मेरे लिए definitely बहुत मायने रखती है. I am someone who loves cosmetics, so you know when something like this comes up, I really feel very nice because I'm always excited to try new things, to know what's in the market too, because we keep going to the red carpets and we want to try different and new looks. So I think that's the reason I'm really happy to be a part of this, to know who all are winning. Of course, I think हर किसी को अच्छी फीलिंग आती है if people compliment you, और अगर अच्छा compliment हो तो definitely बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And I feel nice, yeah. Well, definitely something in pipeline, but I will tell you soon. Maybe not in Hindi language, but yeah. Thank you. What am I talking about?
मैम इसमें जो फेमिनिन ब्यूटी बहुत है आपकी नज़र में ब्यूटी क्या होता है व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ब्यूटी एज एन इंडिविजुअल या
I think to begin with, beauty is inside. It's what you feel inside. Is how you see yourself is how people will see you. How you conceive yourself is how people conceive you. So I think beauty is a lot here, but but I feel also the first impression is very important. You get to know a person how they are really in a while. But for the first impression, yeah, the Femina Beauty Awards is all about that. I'm sorry?
What matters more, beauty matters more or talent matters more when it comes to success in industry?
Well, talent is more important. But it's all, I think, like I said, beauty is all about how you conceive yourself, how you see yourself, and it's also about how you know your strengths and your weaknesses. You celebrate your weaknesses and you enjoy your strengths. You enjoy. But I think beauty is also a lot more about gratitude, and that's one thing I started doing every day. As I get up in the morning, I thank God for however way I am. It doesn't matter. Sometimes I get up with bad hair. Sometimes I get up with pimples on my face. Sometimes I get up with like a lot of work, and there are times that you don't have work. There are times, it's there are times you feel really happy. There are times you get up in the morning, you're not feeling that good. You're low. You're depressed. But what's really important is that the fact that I have this body and God's been really kind, and there are 100 million things that I can be happy about. So that's about it.
Thank you. You look fantastic.
Left corner. Left corner. Left corner.
Here? She's here.
Ready down here. So on the left corner, please. Ready here. So left corner. Ready, left corner. Ready here.
Can we get a picture for social media? For
Sure.
Femina social media?
Divya.
साथ फेमिना ब्यूटी अवार्ड है तो क्या कहना चाहिए ब्यूटी में क्या मायने रखता है
beauty is everything, यार. ऐसे कैसे पूछ रहे हो? Beauty internally, externally, everything is about beauty, and I think the whole effort for every individual here is to make the world look beautiful. और उसके लिए internally, externally दोनों beautiful होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I think in general the effort towards being beauty and to felicitate beauty is a wonderful thing. A real beauty in a woman is her honesty. I mean, not for a woman, for a man also. It's as good as the honesty is. So I think it's not about the external thing, but it's also the amalgamation of internal and external beauty. I'm in no position to judge, first of all, any woman because I think women are beautiful creatures and God has made them for us, and we should be eternally thankful to the universe for them. But I think, as I said, externally, if it's a judging show, then obviously I'll have to look at her talent, her external beauty, of course, first, and then if I communicate with her, it will be judged by the answer and the personality she has. हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है यार. In fact, the feeling is great when you are working in a film very hard and the unit is working very hard as well, and you get applause for the work that you have done and hard work. It's a great feeling. Yes, there's another film called Umeed, which will start doing the International Film Festival round. Plus, I'm trying my luck in South also. I'm doing a very big film in South with a superstar there. So, fingers crossed, yeah. Thanks.
Jacqueline straight. Down here. Start here. Center. Jacqueline straight. Jacqueline left. Jacqueline here. Jacqueline right side. Jacqueline straight here. Jacqueline left. Jacqueline here. Jacqueline left corner, please. Jacqueline left corner. Jacqueline here. Jacqueline here. Jacqueline left, please, left. Jacqueline straight down. Jacqueline left corner, please. Jacqueline straight down.
Now your right side.
Jacqueline over here. Jacqueline straight here. Jacqueline here. Jacqueline here. Jacqueline photo बाकी है पे. Jacqueline यहाँ पे नहीं है.
Thank you.
Jacqueline दीजिए. Jacqueline left corner. Jacqueline down. Right down. Jacqueline left down. Jacqueline down. Jacqueline left down.
Hello. Well, one of the first magazines I ever shot for when I first came to India was Femina, and it was one of the biggest moments for me at that time. And it still is. It's still a prestige to be associated with the magazine. They're amazing, and they're like for every girl across all fields. So it's a great magazine. Real greatness? The real greatness of a woman, I think, is her kindness. That's all. I'm wearing a dress. I have to ask my stylist. Sorry. Hassan Hijazi, Lebanese designer.
Okay, Jacqueline recently heard you are opening a restaurant, but how is that and how did the idea come up?
Well, I actually have a restaurant in Sri Lanka as well, and for me, it's my passion actually is to feed people and also to entertain people, and
best friend actually owns 2 restaurants, so we decided to do a restaurant together. And it's my way of just being able to, I think, like host people and give them food. And I'm quite a foodie myself. So.
And what is the status of it?
Huh? Reload actually has a release date on the 25th of August. We've wrapped up shoot, so we're just waiting now for the film to release. Yeah, I'm actually currently shooting for Drive with Sushant and Tarun Mansukhani, and post that I'll head for Judwa 2 with Varun. No, nothing has been confirmed as yet actually, so no word on that. Actually, I think I'm going to be shooting for Drive and Judwa, so I'm not sure if the dates will work. Yeah. Thank you.
Stand for the visual. Thank you.
I'm straight here. I'm here. Down here. I'm here. I'm here, ma'am. I'm here. Ma'am. I'm here. Ma'am. I'm here.
I'm here.
Ma'am here.
Yeah, on your left, ma'am, left corner.
Yes, straight. Yes, center. Ma'am, center. I'm here.
Ma'am, left corner, ma'am.
Ma'am here. Yeah, down. Yeah, ma'am. Right.
Yes. This is the first time I am attending the film. Yes. I am a regular reader of the magazine, and I just did a shoot with them, and their editor Sandeepan, who was very sweet. I have to say that their magazine presents real women, real beauty. So I think it's very inspirational for women to see real women.
As you are part of the film industry, how far do you think the beauty and talent both matter for getting success, or does only beauty matters or does not talent?
I would like to think that both matter. I would like to believe that. I would like to. I also believe that nowadays everybody looks beautiful because it's very easy to look pretty, and if you don't, there are a lot of ways to make yourself look externally beautiful. But I think at the end of the day, I would like to believe talent plays a very crucial. I'm actually doing a lot of films, but I'm a little superstitious. I feel I should start the film or producer should announce it, like I did with Commando as well. Because when I don't talk about it and they announce it, then the film becomes a very big hit. So I think I should wait. I did a film called Kshanam in Telugu, which is being remade in 5 languages actually. It's been remade in Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam and Hindi. But I think let the film start, like I said, and I don't want to just say I'm doing this and I'm doing that. Kshanam was one of the toughest roles I've done till now, and talent was very much required for that role. So I hope I get more roles like that. Thank you. Thank you.
I don't think we have to all your dress.
Avoidable, I think we should.
I agree. So, maybe we should give us.
Hello. Hi. Tell me.
No, not at all. It's not the first time. It's always beautiful to be here. We have one more opportunity to be our beautiful best, like every other day. And I mean, you don't have much to say and enough to say rather about Femina. Of course, we all know it's. I won't say diamonds are a girl's best friend. Femina is. But yeah. So, and of course, it's really amazing to be here. Nykaa this time is associated with Femina and bringing all of us the beautiful beauty awards, and I'm very excited. It's a beautiful evening. Well, currently I don't have very good news for you, but in due course of time, of course, very soon I will. I'm wearing this beautiful outfit by Sumant Chauhan. You can see. And it's one of my favorite colors. It's a white. I love white. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, so I'm from Femina Social Media Team has got 25 Start it and go. Can you pose for night? Hi. Thank you. Can you do cute boomerang for us? Sure. What should I do? Twirl? Yeah, you want to twirl? Yeah. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, cute. Okay. Hi.
It's the first time I'm coming, yes. But I've always had a great association with Femina, and we worked together many times in the past. So I'm very happy to be here, especially for the Femina team. And looking forward. I think it's a great magazine to keep up with what's going on, in terms of fashion, beauty, lifestyle. It's got like a combination of everything, true stories. So yeah, it's a great read, and I think they give us a bi-monthly. So yeah, that's what makes it even more fun. I think talent is more important, but I guess, it's also a combination of all sorts of things, including your personality and, fashion, beauty, personality, talent, all put together, makes the package. Yes, I'm currently working on Lucknow Central, so that's what's keeping me busy. In fact, I'm off to Lucknow in a few days for the last schedule. So yeah, looking forward. Thank you.
Excuse me, we have Femina Social Media Team and as well and go. It's adorable. And if I hold it,
Right, straight. Right straight here. Right में. Side your left. Side left corner. Right. Straight here. Right में यहाँ पे. Right यहाँ पे. Side left corner में. Right यहाँ पे. Side left corner side. भाई सामने.
Hi, Shahid.
Hello.
How did you be here? Style awards हो रहे हैं. So, how are you participating? Are you getting an award? We hear you're getting an award.
I hope I get an award. I'm very happy to be here. I usually don't like to answer the question before I actually get an award because if I don't, then you'll ask me this question. आपने तो बोला था award मिल रहा है. So I hope I win an award. I'm really happy to be here. I'm happy to participate with Femina. It's a really nice award, and I hope it's going to be a fun evening. Yeah.
Would you like to tell us something about your attire? Which you're wearing? Like, who are you wearing today?
So I'm dressed by Anisha. She usually dresses me. She did all my promotions for Rangoon and stuff. So she's dressed me again tonight.
Shahid, I know it's a different question, but we know what happened exactly,
Yeah.
but we don't know the why of it. Like, it was
That's exactly where I am right now. I am aware that there has been some disruption that has happened. I'm aware that a certain amount of costumes have got burnt. I'm aware everybody is safe and nobody's been harmed. I'm aware that the shooting has wrapped up and the team is coming back. What I'm not aware of is who has done it. So I don't really think I can comment on who has done it, and obviously the reaction will depend on that. But it is unfortunate that something like this has happened for the second time. And as soon as I guess there is a little more clarity, one will be able to give a slightly more elaborate comment, and I will also it'll also need to be defined by the production how they want to respond to this. But I'm aware that they are going to be filing an FIR. That's something that I heard and I was told. So I'm guessing something like that will happen. I don't think so. I don't think any of the principal actors were on set.
Shahid, I want to know why the Bollywood celebrity has started at all the time, like जो आसाम में जो
Why do you want to know? I want to know this. I am the actor.
मतलब नाहिद आफरीन के साथ जो हुआ
I
है
have no idea what you're talking about. Sorry.
के नाम पे फतवा जो जारी
I don't know what you're talking about.
Shahid, one last question. Shahid, last week I think Meena made an appearance at a event and she said something which was not taken well. Like she said something about working women and it was not taken properly by some of the sections on media and also women. So what is
Well, first of all, I think what Meera spoke, she started the conversation by saying that these are my personal comments. I don't think she made a direct comment in anybody or any category of women, so to say. I think she was talking from a very personal standpoint. And I think Meera is speaking for a section of women who really aren't being represented, you know. There are times where those women feel like they should not be celebrated or they should not, women, and by that I mean women who might not be doing a job, women who might choose to be at home, have a baby and take care of that baby and consider that something important enough to do. At a certain stage in your life, at a different stage in your life, you might choose to do something else. Like I took 5 months off when I was having Nisha because I felt it was important for me to be with my wife and my child. You know, so that's a choice that you make out of a certain sense of independence. And I think there are very few people who are actually showing any kind of appreciation towards these women. I don't think what a mother does for a child is something that should not be appreciated. They should feel empowered and they should feel self-assured about the fact that they are extremely important and what they do is as important as any other job. I personally feel that I might be today the one who goes to work between me and Meera as husband and wife, but I think what she's doing for Misha is far more important and far more relevant. I really wish I could, but between the two of us, one of us has to go to work, so I happen to be that person. So I think she was speaking from a very positive space. I do understand that everybody has a strong point of view and people can get hurt about things, but I think we're in a time where everybody is getting hurt about everything. So I honestly don't think it makes any sense to try and keep everybody happy. We're also in a time where if anybody who's important or is being given importance says something, a lot of people want to gain importance by saying something against them. So we just live in that kind of a time. I personally went through her entire interview. In fact, I even retweeted it. because I felt what she's saying is really relevant. All she's saying is that women should have the right to choose. You want to go to work, men should respect that. You want to stay at home and take care of a child, or you want to stay at home and be a housewife, men should learn to respect housewives as well. Why should only be people who are going and earning money be given respect? There are so many areas which are equally important. I think a home runs only when all those areas are balanced out. And I think that's what she was trying to say. She used the word balance a lot. She always said, I think she spoke about the fact that men and women shouldn't be against each other, they should be working with each other. I think she spoke very clearly about the fact that she has complete respect for people and the choices that they make, but her choice is to stay at home and take care of the baby. So I'm very proud of what she said, and I think she did a great job. And I guess this is what it means to be a celebrity now. She'll have to get used to a little bit of criticism here and there. She's a strong girl, she takes it with a pinch of salt, so I think she'll be good. Thank you. क्या नहीं मिला मैं क्या नया करूँ
Shahid, can you pose for Nykaa, please?
What do you want me to say?
Nykaa, can you pose for Nykaa?
Pose for Nykaa, okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You look amazing.
क्या बोल रहे
Left corner down. Sophie straight, left corner, ma'am. Sophie ma'am, left corner down. Left corner, left corner. Sophie straight, down. Right, right. Ma'am, left corner, ma'am, left corner.
You're getting a photo, and I can. When you say. Let me say, maybe a 1, 2, 1. 1 second. And 1, 2, 3, go. You can pose for Nykaa also. Thank you. Can we get one here?
Paraman straight. Paraman straight. Left man, यहाँ पे नीचे वाला left. Para left. Para left. I'm यहाँ पे straight.
गाइस मुझे कोई पॉलिटिक्स के ऊपर सवाल ही नहीं पूछना है, ओके? मैं अभी बता रही हूँ, नहीं कुछ नहीं पूछने का है, फिल्मी गॉसिप पूछो. थैंक यू. आई एम वेयरिंग मनीष मल्होत्रा, द अमेजिंग मनीष मल्होत्रा का गाउन एंड स्टाइल बाय माय फ्रेंड एंड स्टाइलिस्ट दिव्या सैनी.
What do you want to say about the Nykaa Film Awards?
What about what?
Awards.
I want to say कि well you know I think कि ये जो ब्यूटी अवार्ड्स हैं फेमिना के, ये डिसाइड करते हैं कि हम मेरे जैसी लड़कियाँ क्या प्रोडक्ट इस्तेमाल करने वाली हैं इस साल, इसलिए ये हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. और आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू सीइंग कि अभी तक जो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ क्या वो डिड इट मेक द कट और आगे क्या इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए.
सेंसर के बारे में क्या बोलूँ, अभी सेंसर एक भगवान जी है जो प्रसाद बांटते रहते हैं, तो हमारी फिल्म को भी अच्छा सा मीठा मीठा प्रसाद दिया उन्होंने, अभी खा रहे हैं हम उसको, क्या बोलूँ मैं। I mean, honestly, I think कि beauty actually lies in the eyes of the beholder. मुझे लगता है कि beauty का कोई एक concept हो ही नहीं सकता है, and इसलिए I think it's very important. यार आपकी अगर शक्ल basically ठीक ठाक है, बाकी काम स्टाइलिंग और मेकअप कर लेगा, ज़्यादा वरी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है।
अगर मैम अगर आप यहाँ पर जज होती है तो क्या फैक्टर मेन रहता है आपकी?
I think that एक तो मैं इंसानों को जज करना नहीं पसंद करती, मैं प्रोडक्ट्स को जज करती, एंड आई थिंक कि जो प्रोडक्ट जिसकी यूजेबिलिटी अच्छी है, जो अच्छे तरीके से रिस्पॉन्स दे रही है अपनी फेस को, स्किन को, एंड जो ड्यूरेबल है, आई थिंक दैट वुड बी माई कैटेगरी फॉर विनिंग।
हमेशा बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी को टारगेट किया जाता है, लाइक जो अभी आसाम में आगे आफरीन के साथ जो फतवा जारी किए गए हैं 46 फतवे, जो इंडियन आइडल की विनर रह चुकी हैं 2015 में। आपका क्या कहना है, पॉलिटिशियन हो या एक्सट्रीम्स रिलीजन कास्ट के पर्सन हो, वो सब बॉलीवुड को ही क्यों टारगेट करते हैं?
आई थिंक कि बॉलीवुड के जो कलाकार हैं, जो निर्देशक निर्माता हैं, हम लोग वनरेबल हैं, हम लोग सॉफ्ट टारगेट हैं, और इसलिए आपने देखा है कि पिछले 2 साल या 2.5 साल में लगातार, चाहे वो आज जो हुआ नाहिद, क्या नाम है, नाहिद के साथ, या जो जायरा के साथ हुआ, या जो आमिर खान साहब के साथ हुआ, या शाहरुख सर के साथ जो हुआ, या संजय लीला बंसाली के साथ, उनका कल सेट पे आग लगा दी गई अपेरेंटली, उनको मार पिटाई हुई उनके साथ, उनके सेट के ऊपर। आई थिंक कि 2 चीज़ें, एक तो हमारे देश में बहुत ज़्यादा ये कल्चर गुंडई का बढ़ रहा है और कोई रोक नहीं है उस पर, ऐसा लग रहा है, और दूसरा कि मुझे लगता है कि बॉलीवुड ने बहुत सालों तक बहुत चुप रहा है, हमें इतना चुप नहीं रहना चाहिए था, एंड आई थिंक अब वक्त आ गया है कि बॉलीवुड को एक आवाज़ करके ज़रा प्रोटेस्ट करना चाहिए इसके खिलाफ, क्योंकि आई थिंक इट्स अ रिडिकुलस सिचुएशन एंड वेरी शेमफुल। थैंक यू। व्हेन आई गो टू जेल ना, कम एंड विजिट मी।